The second method we're going to use for simplifying square roots is what I call the factor tree method. Say you don't remember your perfect squares, or you can't almost get the largest perfect square that goes into the number under the radical sign. We can go back to our factor trees, which we learned in middle school. What's a factor tree again? Take a number. In this case, we're going to take the number under the radical sign, which is 108. And all we're going to do is we're going to think about a number that goes into 108 evenly. Now, I'm not super good with my math skills, but I know 108 is an even number. So if I divide 108 by 2, the factors I get are 2 and 54. So 2 times 54 gives us 108. So there's 2 branches of our factor tree. Once you get a prime number, which can't be broken down anymore, which is not divisible by anything other than itself and 1, put a little circle around it. Now 54 is an even number. I know if I divide that by 2, I get 2 and 27. 2 is a prime number, circle. 27 can still be factored. Mrs. Beckman, my 3rd grade teacher, taught me 3 times 9 is 27. 3 is a prime number. She also taught me 9 can be broken down because it's 3 times 3. So remember, this is a factor tree. Once we get all our prime numbers, we're good now to rewrite 108 so it looks a little bit differently. Again, kind of like a dollar bill looks different than 4 quarters, but they have the same value. We're going to rewrite 108 as a product of all its prime numbers. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 times 3. 2 times 2 times 2. Oh. Times 3 times 3 times 3. I think we got them all there. So again, if we crunch this all in our calculator, it gives us 108. Once you get all your prime numbers under the radical sign, here's how you simplify the radical. Any number that pairs up, any 2 of a kind under the radical sign, can be pulled to the outside. There's a pair of 2's. So I can circle those 2's, cancel them on the inside, and move a 2 to the outside. There's a pair of 3's. I can cancel a 3, move a 3 to the outside. Now this remaining 3 doesn't have a partner, so it has to stay on the inside. Anything that doesn't pair up stays on the inside. Any numbers now you have left over on the inside, you multiply together. Any numbers you have on the outside, you multiply together, and then you get your answer. 2 times 3 is 6. This 3 has nothing left to multiply to. So there is your simplified radical of the square root of 108.